This is the first in our series of quick start tutorials. Work through these key steps to get your Flowlens CRM and MRP system up and running. Flowlens can be personalized with your company logo and many other details. We'll begin with your company's essential info. The details on the Company Information tab will be used throughout Flowlens, from sales quotes to purchase orders, service jobs and much more. Make sure to upload a good quality logo. This will appear on the various documents that Flowlens generates, such as purchase orders, job cards, sales quotations and orders. Complete each field as requested, but don't worry about the default nominal codes. We'll set these up in a bit. If you have standard terms and conditions or notes for various documents, then these can be captured here and will appear on the relevant document each time it is created. Don't worry, these can be edited on individual documents before you send them. The default email text tab allows you to add default text each time you send a sales quote, sales order, or purchase order from Flowlens. Next, we'll set up the default nominal codes for sales, purchases and carriage. For trial purposes, you can set these up manually, but these can be imported automatically when integrating to an accountancy package like Xero, Sage 50 or QuickBooks Online. We'll hop back and complete the default nominal codes on the company information page. Next, we'll set up our tax rates for VAT. The system has a default rate called Standard Rate. This should suffice for trialling purposes. VAT rates can be imported automatically when you integrate Flowlens with Xero, QuickBooks Online or Sage 50. The final step is setting up currencies. Your Flowlens MRP system will default to your base currency. If you raise or receive invoices in another currency, you will need to set it up here. Let's add a euro option. Make sure you include the inverse rate for each currency added. That's it. You're now ready for the next quick start tutorial, importing customers and suppliers into your Flowlens CRM and MRP system.